Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to edit text on your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. You can find all the options you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with editing our text. What we're going to open up first is right here, the left side screen, open up the online store section. After opening up online store, you can see this, and I'm going to open up this new menu where we can take a look at the theme we are using. And what we want to do guys is click the three dots right here next to the theme name. Click on the three dots. That's going to open up this new drop down menu, and one of the options we are going to have is edit default theme content. So we are going to open up that. You have two options guys. You can either open up to edit the default theme content, where you can take a look at everything we can edit, and our theme content, as you can see, password page, login form, heading, you can see the text it says right here, so you can manage the text it says in your header and so on. All the basic info is right here, such as your newsletter, blogs, and so on. So this is where you want to edit the text it says on your store. So this is just the basic option. If you want to edit your code in better detail, you can go into edit code option right here. Here you can change your font, coloring, and everything you need for your whole website. But those are two options you can use depending on what you want to do. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.